There are two ways to fill in this table. Well, actually, most of them have been put in already, but we're just being asked to substitute the 4 in. So the quickest way, if you're confident with this, is to simply work out what 4 squared minus 2 times 4 is. 4 squared is 16, minus 8, the answer is going to be 8. If somebody likes to be really careful, you can get your calculator, go to menu, find the table function. Hopefully you've got a calculator with this function in. It might not look exactly like mine. Then you can do alpha x squared. So I've got f of x is x squared. F of x is my function. In this case, it's my y, minus 2 times x as x. Okay, I'm not interested in the second function. I want to start at -1. I want to end, I think, at 4. This is the main one I want to find. I want to go up in steps of 1, and I get this table. So 3, 0, -1, 0. Then I'm expecting it to be 3 and 8. 3 and 8. So that's just another way of doing it if you wanted to. In any case, the answer is 8. Next, draw this graph for -1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. So it's asking me to plot the coordinates basically. When x is -1, y is going to be 3. So I can just put a little cross there. 0, 0. 1 minus 1. 2, 0. 3, 3. You can see they've got a sort of symmetry going on. This is what happens with quadratics. And 4 jumps up to 8. Okay, that is not drawing the graph. That's just plotting some of the points that are on the graph, because the graph still also exists for other values of x. We're just plotting some of the points, and then we're going to join it up with a curve. Really important to not join it up with straight lines, because that's not what it looks like. It is in fact a nice smooth curve. To get a pencil, because just in case you make a mistake, and then join this graph up. A bit like so. Now I should have, yeah, that's a lot better there. Okay, nice one. Next, use your graph to solve x squared minus 2x equals 2. Well, we have essentially y equals x squared minus 2x. So if I draw y equals 2, and I find out where they cross, that solves this question. So y equals 2 is in fact this line here. So let me just backtrack. What have I done here? Well, I've drawn the graph y equals 2. I've drawn the graph y equals x squared minus 2x. And where they cross is where 2 will equal x squared minus 2x, which is what we're interested in. So we can do a graphical solution to this. And I could just read down from my graph. Dotted lines are always advisable. And this one's going to give me 2.8. But there's another one here. If I read down from here, okay, that's going to be minus 0.7. So I need those two solutions in there. This is called solving equations numerically or graphically, actually, in this case. So we need to be able to draw like quadratic graphs and other kinds of graphs. We also need to be able to interpret solutions to equations involving these sorts of things.